The Corporation for National and Community Service connects Americans of all ages with opportunities to give back in their communities through volunteer service. Each year, more than 2 million Americans serve and volunteer with organizations such as Americorps, Americorps Vista, Senior Corps, and Learn and Serve America. These organizations, along with other public agencies, participate in programs which tutor children, build and renovate homes, provide immunizations and health screenings, clean up and preserve the environment, serve on neighborhood crime prevention patrols, respond to disasters, and much, much more. Americorps provides people with the opportunity to serve their country in the communities with the goal of helping to meet America's need in education, public safety, health, and the environment. Last year in Arizona, Americorps programs contributed more than 500,000 hours of service to local communities. We are looking for individuals of all ages and abilities to work with Americorps programs across Arizona. Americorps members get tangible benefits, including a living allowance, help with college costs and student loans, access to health insurance and child care. Americorps members are also provided reasonable accommodations on request. Americorps staff understands the meaning of people first. People of all ages and abilities who apply for membership in Americorps and Americorps Vista programs have a great support network. This support includes the availability of reasonable accommodations, enabling people with disabilities to serve.
I've met great people just in our organization and the organizations we work with, but also the refugees that we work with who come through our agency to the United States. I mean, I've met incredible people from all over the world. So it's been a truly international experience.
It was a way to jump right into my ideal job without necessarily the job experience or the education that I would have normally needed to come in at that level. And so I've now been able to get a full-time job just finishing Americorps because it's a chance to prove yourself and a chance to learn a lot of skills in a short amount of time and really serve your community in a way that builds leadership and builds the skills that you need for the rest of your life and in the work world.
Through Americorps, you meet a lot of passionate, dedicated people that are just striving to make a change in the world. It's amazing.
I'm showing them and leading by example that they can too participate in national service and live by the slogan, I will get things done for America.
People with disabilities are great resources and can provide a lot of vital services for Americorps. We encourage people with disabilities to become volunteers. And from the project director standpoint or perspective, working with someone who has a disability is really very advantageous because people with disabilities have had to adapt, develop strategies to get along, and they're quick learners in that respect.
Look, this person, yeah, they have a disability, so what? They're a person who, they're an actor first, or they're a painter first. They're not their disability.
A disability does not define a person. It is part of the definition. I don't mean to disregard it altogether. It is part of them, but it's not the total. Focus on the abilities.
Every day when I get home from work and you know that you've been doing good and you know you've been helping people, and it's invigorating to come home that way.
I feel empowered and inspired just with the people I work with, staff, coworkers, and then the people that I serve. I just come home and boast about my job every day.
Through volunteer coordinating, I'm able to change the lives of my volunteers. You always think that the main thing you're focused on is changing the lives of your clients or the people you serve, but my focus is really on the impact that we're having on the people who get involved.
Just do it.
People with disabilities who apply for membership in Americorps and Americorps Vista programs have a great support network. Americorps members provide direct support to community organizations. Americorps Vista members give a year of their lives to support organizations that fight poverty in their communities. Don't let fear outshine your ability. To find out how you can get involved in AmeriCorps, call 602-542-3489 or visit our website at www.gocyf.az.gov/CYD.